Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off ads on Roku TV. Here's a step-by-step guide for you. First, disable personalized ads, limit ad tracking. This stops Roku from showing ads based on your activity. Go to home screen, then select settings, then you have to go to privacy, then select advertising, then turn on limit ad tracking. This won't remove all ads, but ads will no longer be personalized. Now, disable autoplay video ads on Roku menu. Go to settings, select accessibility, choose captions mode, then turn it off. This helps stop video ads from autoplaying in menus. Now turn off Roku recommendations and sponsored content, home screen ads. Go to settings, then select home screen, then select recommendations rows, then turn off all options like featured, free, what to watch, live TV recommendations. Remove pop-up ads from Roku apps. Unfortunately, ads within free streaming apps like Roku Channel TV or Pluto TV can't be completely removed unless you use paid versions or ad-free subscriptions. Now, block ads via router optional. This is actually optional because all router doesn't have this feature. If you are tech savvy, then you can block Roku ad servers directly from your Wi-Fi router. Add this domain to your router's block list. This is the first one is track.sr.roku.com, and you can use the second one also like ads.roku.com. Just like I said before, that not all routers have this feature, so you can check for this feature in your router. If it's available, then you can try these steps. Use a paid streaming service, no ads. So apps like Netflix paid plan, HBO Max ad-free plan, or Disney Plus ad-free plan offers completely ad-free experiences. Here is final tip. While Roku allows some ad control, completely removing all ad isn't possible without using ad-free apps or router-level blocking. Or sometimes you can use some ad blocker, but I don't recommend that to use it on your device. So hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.